Yeah, I'm out here at the corner of Gaul and Clearfield. Yeah. Just checking things out. Alina's place. Yeah, it's been a bar for a long time. That's always been a bar. Alina's place. Yeah. This over here, this used to be Walter's hardware store, man. In the 70s, 1970s. This was Walter's hardware store. The sign was right up here. Yeah. They had a front entrance right here. You walk right in. And then, or you could walk in the side here. They had a side entrance. Walked in here. The Walters hardware. And then it went out of, I guess it closed up around 1980. Yeah, Walters, I guess maybe he died. That was Walter's hardware store. Yeah. Went in there a couple times. As a kid. Yeah. And that there was Ethel's Steak Shop. Ethel's Steak Shop. Boy, that was a great place, man. I gotta take a look at this, man. I gotta take a look at this. This was Ethel's Steak Shop, man. Wow, this was legendary, man. This place was awesome. Back in the day. Yeah, still remember it. How great it was. Great steaks, great pizza, milkshakes, anything you wanted, man. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Ethel Steak Shop. Yeah. And this was a hairdressing salon for a while. Now it didn't last too long, but I remember this was like a hair salon, beauty parlor, something like that, man. Yeah. Yep. All back in the day. Yeah. Walter's Hardware. Ethel's Steaks. And Alina's Bar. Oh, Gaul and Clearfield, hey. Yeah.